So guys, today I'm back with one of the important concept in SQL. Hello all, my name is Hitesh Tamani and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, I have been taking interviews from a longer period of time and most of the people don't know how join works actually, right? So make sure you watch the video till end as this will gonna be your one-stop solution for joins. So, guys, as we can see, we have two tables with us. Both the tables contain only single column. As we can see, table A contains column A and table B contains column B. Uh, like few of the records in both the tables are duplicate and few are unique, right? And we have like a blank record as well in both of these tables, right? Now, let's say if someone is asking us to perform like inner join, left join, right join between these two tables. So how the result set will look like? For sure, like we can quickly do in SQL, we can quickly write like the query in SQL and we will be able to get the output, right? But what is the logic behind that particular output? We should understand that particular thing, right? So in this particular video, we will be talking about the logic between all the type of joins. So make sure you watch the video till the end, right? So as we can see, like in inner join, so let me just tell you what do we mean by inner join? Inner join is nothing but it will contain the common records like between both the tables, right? So over here, as we can see, like one is common between two table, like both of these tables, and again two is common between both of these tables, right? Apart from that, like 3, null, 4 and 5, we can't see like these values are appearing in like both of these tables, right? So which means like 1 and 2 are the common records, right? But since we have duplicates as well over here, so how our result set will look like in this particular case, right? So it's quite simple. Always we have to keep this in mind. As and when we have duplicates as well in our table, we should do a Cartesian product, right? So what do we mean by Cartesian product? So since we have like three times one appearing in this particular table and two times one appearing in this table, right? So the result set of inner join will contain the Cartesian product of occurrence of these ones, right? So since it's three time over here and two time over here, which is like 3 into 2, 6, right? So that means like our result set will contain 1 as 6 times. Okay. Similarly, that will be the case for 2 as well, right? So since 2 is appearing two times over here and over here it's only single time. So it will be 2 into 1, that is like 2. So we will be getting 2 as 2 times. Okay. Now, like your question might be like how many columns will be there in this, right? So since we are doing a join between two tables and two columns, so for sure there will be two columns over here, right? So as we can see, this particular column will be for column A, right? And this will be for column B, right? Now, most of you might be thinking like we have one more record which is common between these two tables, which is this blank. So we can see blank is appearing in this table as well as blank is appearing in this table. So this could also be the part of inner join, right? But this particular thing, which is like really very important, which we should keep in our mind, that blank is nothing but a null value in SQL, right? This is considered as a null value, right? So, like basically, a null value of a particular table uh, is uncomparable with the null value of next second table, right? So basically, like this particular null is we will not be matched with this particular null, right? So that means like the inner join of a particular inner join of between these two tables will contain this as a result set, right? Now like what will be the result set of left join, right? So left join is nothing but like in left join we will get like all the records of left table and matching records of both the tables, right? So since I've mentioned matching records of both the tables, which means we have to rest assured that inner join will be the part of left join, right? So apart from this inner join, we have to get like matching, like a non-matching records of left table as well, right? So over here, since we can see non-matching records are three, null, and this blank, right? So basically, these three records will also be going to come as part of output of left join, right? So now, like, what do we get as part of output, like equivalent output for these three unmatching records, since these three records are not there in table B. So basically, for these three records, we will get null in table B. Okay. So over here also, since I've mentioned blank is considered as null, so you will be getting null as part of your output, right? So this will be the result set of your left join, right? Now what will be the output of right join, right? So right join is nothing but it will contain matching records of both the tables and all the records of right table, right? Similarly for from left join, this particular join will contain all the records of right table. So since I have told you guys like all the matching records of both the tables will be there as part of right join, so we have to make sure that should be there as part of right join, right? Now like all the non-matching records of right table will also be there, right? So non-matching records of right table are 4, 4, 5, and this blank record, right? This blank record will be part of right join, right? But this blank record will not be part of inner join, since like we are not able to compare this blank with this blank, right? We should keep this in mind that null value can't be compared between two tables. Okay. So, but that since this is part of right join and this is a thumb rule that all the records, either it's matching or not matching, that would be part of your right join, right? So, which means like all the records will come as part of your right join, right? Since I've mentioned null, like blank will be considered as null, so I'm writing null for this. Now, similarly for this, like 4, 5, and 5, since we don't have any record in table A, so we will be getting null for these. Okay, right? Now, as I've mentioned, this null is like we are not having this null as in this particular table, right? This null is not comparable with table A, right? So for this also, we will be getting null over here. Okay. Now, what will be the part of what will be the output of full outer join, right? Full outer join is nothing but it is a combination of inner join, left join, and right join, right? Which means all the records which we are getting in inner join, that will be the part of full outer join. All the records which we are getting from left join, that will also be a part of full outer join. Similarly, all the records of right join will also be the part of full outer join, right? Let me just quickly show you how this particular solution or how the result set of full outer join will look like. So as I've mentioned, like inner join will be there as part of full outer join, right? Apart from that, all the records which are there in left join, right? So since we can see these are the records in left join, so we will keep it as is. These are the additional records in left join. So this will be the part of full outer join. Now, till here, we can see we have like result set in right join, right? So this is the only thing which is not there in this particular result set, right? So this will be the additional records which will be the part of full outer join, right? So this will be your complete result set of full outer join, which will contains inner join, left join, and right join, right? So I hope from now onwards you won't get confused with working of joins. Okay. So that's all from my side. Thanks for watching. See you one and all. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye.